You jumping? Keep jumping, Jack. Good jumping.
Are you counting? Who's sleeping? Who's sleeping in there?
How you doing, kiddo?
Why'd you close the door? Is there somebody sleeping?
Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Munchkin. Munchkin. Jack, where's Clifford in that? Yay! You got it right. That's right. Where's Clifford? Jack, where's Clifford? Who's on the phone, Jack? Who's on the phone? Dada's on the phone? What did he say? What did Dada say? How about Mama? Is Mama on the phone? What did she say? Did she say, I love you? Oh, she said that. How about, did she say, good night, Jack? Oh, is that the golf club? Oh, good hit. Backwards. Wow. Yay, Jack, nice shot.
Nice shot. That's good. You're good.
All right. Oh, you celebrating?
Let's slap Mommy 5.
High five for Mama? Yeah.
Oh, be careful, Munchkin.
Yay! High five for Dada. Yay!
Again? I gotta lean over. Let me come close. Good.
Good job, Jack. All right.
Those are golf balls, silly goose.
Yay! Yay! High five. Jack, high five. Good job.